Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick fix that could potentially cost you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars if you guys took it to the dealership. Now, a lot of people who have this problem with their car uh, pretty much assume that it's a bigger issue than it possibly is. I'm gonna go into a little bit of detail about why this happens and how you could actually do a fix within a minute. Most of the time it'll fix your issue. Obviously with car issue, it kind of depends on your specific car problems and symptoms. But if you guys have any kind of issues with semi weird shifting issues with your transmission, stuttering when it changes to gears, a little bit of jerking, definitely want to stay tuned for this video. I'm going to give you a little detail about why that happens and then what the fix for it is. And you don't have to take it to the dealership or the shop or spending money putting in parts, changing out fluids, all that stuff. You guys want to start from this point before you guys spend all that money on all that other stuff. All right, so let's get this video going. If you guys don't know, the ECU, the TCM, the PCM, the car's computer, all right, is integral to the operation of any vehicles these days, particularly with expensive luxury car vehicles, particularly with vehicles made in Germany that are Audis, BMW, Mercedes Benzes. But this vehicle this is particularly true with vehicles that have a lot of different features, a lot of different luxury accessories in the vehicle, but also with the performance of the vehicle, the motor, it's the performance of the motor itself, the performance of the transmission, performance with how the vehicle drives. Okay, the transmission control module is the car's computer. Essentially, if you guys don't know what it does, is a lot of these transmission control modules these days actually reads the way you drive, and it actually changes. It actually molds itself as far as the programming of the car to the way you drive, to save gas, to give you the best driving, essentially to mold the driving experience towards how you drive. And because of that, there is a lot of programming in the transmission module, the ECU, the car's electronic computer. It pretty much, there's so much programming involved that if you guys have any kind of transmission weird jerking or stuttering, weird shifting, a lot of times that you could attribute that to the car's computer. Now it could be a glitch, it could be it could be some if somebody else drives it and it becomes it's a bit of a mystery, to be honest with you. But the car itself essentially programs the transmission to drive a certain way, all right, because essentially it comes out of the factory driving a particular way, but the more you drive it, the more it actually encompasses the whole driving experience towards how you drive, to make the experience easier, smoother, saves on gas, etc., etc. All right, so what happens over time is maybe a glitch occurs, maybe it drives a little different because of whatever parameters that exist in the car's computer that tells it to drive a certain way. So over time, maybe the driving experience becomes jerky, the driving experience becomes you start having some shifting issues. That is not mechanical. It's not mechanical, meaning that it's not something that is faulty with the transmission. It's not something that's faulty with the solenoids. Is not something that's faulty, that's physically faulty or even electronically faulty. What's faulty is the programming in the system that's faulty. And a lot of people mistake that for a mechanical issue. Now, if it becomes a mechanical issue, obviously you're gonna have to replace parts. You're gonna have to change up certain fluids, etc., etc. That's what a lot of people think in this situation. They could pour hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars into it and potentially make that situation so much worse than it is. And it may not even fix the issue. But I'm going to tell you guys what you guys can do. All right, you guys can actually reset your vehicle's ECM, ECU, TCM, your vehicle's computer. You can actually factory reset it. And I'm going to show you guys how you guys can actually factory reset it. Okay, so here's what you guys do. All right, you guys in your car right now, you guys want to make sure it's off. All right, you're gonna push the gas pedal down. All right, with the gas pedal down, you're gonna keep your foot on the gas pedal down. You're gonna push the push start to the on position. The on position is the position where all the lights on your dash are on, but you don't start. Do not start the car. All right, it's the position where it's the last position before it cranks. Do not crank the car. All right, where all the accessories are on, all the lights on the dash are on. Okay. What you're gonna do is, in that position, you're gonna keep it pressed. But once you press it, you're gonna hold your foot on the gas pedal for 15 seconds. 15 seconds. All right. After 15 seconds, you're gonna turn your vehicle off. All right. After you turn off, then you can take your foot off the gas pedal, and then after that, you're gonna wait 2 to 4 minutes. You're gonna wait 2 to 4 minutes, and then after that, you're gonna start the car normally. At that point, just drive it around a little bit. Your ECM, your ECU, your TCM, your car's computer should be reset back to factory settings. It works. If you guys don't believe it, try it. It's free to try. It works. It won't, if you guys have mechanical issues with your transmission, obviously it's not going to work at that point. But if all you have is a little bit of jerkiness that just comes that's just there one day out of nowhere, no other issues with your car, weird shifting, this will fix the issue. All right. Now, if you guys have tried this, if you guys know of any, if you guys have your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section, and it might help somebody else out. But please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time. All right, guys, hope this has helped you guys out with your situation. Take care.